Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2015 Lexus RX 350. This is a silver exterior with a black interior. See the RX 350 and Lexus badging. And power trunk for opening and closing. It's a 6-speed automatic all-wheel drive. Has memory seats. Steering wheel. This Lexus has 123,647 for miles. And a push-button start. See the shifter, center console, climate controls. Does have a backup camera as well. If you have any questions, would like to see additional pictures or any more information about this vehicle, check us out at feldmannimports.com.